Hello everyone, welcome back to Arpita's Tech Corner. I hope you are enjoying this Power Query series. So in my previous videos, I just talked about the Power Query, the introduction to the Power Query, and how you can connect with one files like CSV, JSON, and Parquet file, and you can connect with one on-premises database like PostgreSQL. In this video, I will show you how you can connect with an cloud server database, for example Snowflake. Okay, because Snowflake is very famous nowadays and it has a very cloud database, it's very organized. So definitely we need to learn how we can connect Snowflake and Power Query. Okay, so let's go to the practical with Power Query section. So before going to the Power Query section, let us go to this Snowflake environment. So you can create one Snowflake environment for your testing purpose. So here you need to provide some details and you will get this 30-day trial. I have already some Snowflake environment which already I have created. So let us go through this. Which database table exactly I am going to import in our Power Query. First, just go to this catalog and the database explorer. From there, there are different type of database we have. So I have created one database that is called testdb, and I have created another test schema. Under that, I have created one test table. So my objective is to import this test table from the Snowflake environment to our Power Query. Okay, let us go to this Power BI desktop section. From this Power BI desktop, from transport data, you can open this Power Query editor. Now you need to go to this new source and search with Snowflake. Click on this and connect. First, check what are the options I have to provide. First, the server section and the warehouse. Now, some of the advanced options also we have, like specify a text value to use to search a role name. So that means you can provide some role name here. The connection timeout in here is also a connection timeout in second. Then we have this relationship columns if you want to mention something. Then we have this database, like here you can provide some of the SQL statement, like you want to fetch some specific query, and there you need to mention the database name. Also here also you need to provide the database name. So these are some optional area where I will show you. The mandatory fields are server name and the warehouse name. Now how will you get the server name and warehouse name? You just need to go to your Snowflake environment. From there you have this account details. Go to there, view account details, and you have this account identifier. So copy this identifier and come back to your Power Query editor. Here you need to provide this as account identifier as a server. Now you need to provide your warehouse name. How will you get that? Go to this Snowflake environment again, and here you have this compute warehouses, and this is your default warehouse. Now if you already created some warehouse, that also you can select, but for me I have this default warehouse, so I need to select this compute underscore wh. Now go back to this Power Query editor and type compute underscore wh. Click on OK, and you need to provide your username and password. So this is my username and okay. Okay, now you have connected to with your Snowflake environment, and by default it will display all the databases because I haven't specified any single database. Okay, so let me select this test database. Here I have this test schema and this is my test table. Now click on OK. I will select the import option. Okay, simple. We have our table which is connected from our Snowflake environment. Okay, so I believe from here it's plain and easy to simple connection with the Snowflake environment with the Power Query editor. In the similar way, you can connect with the Power BI desktop also. Okay, so I hope you understood how we can connect this one. I hope from this video you understood how you can connect one cloud server like Snowflake, because Snowflakes can be useful for our online database server. It can We can create any data warehouse there, data lake house, or it can be used as a data lake also. So from this video you can do some case study using Power Query and your Snowflakes. In fact, you can use the Power BI also in this case. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friend. And please provide your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.